crackled with excitement. Music filled the courtyard, a lively rhythm that pulsed through everyone present. The aroma of spices, rich and inviting, wafted from a giant pot simmering over an open fire. It was a wedding feast in Lagos, Nigeria, and the star of the show was a dish that held a special place in the hearts of all who gathered: jollof rice. This wasn't just food, it was a celebration of heritage, a symbol of togetherness, and a testament to the vibrant culinary traditions of West Africa. Jollof rice is more than just a dish, it's an experience. From the bustling streets of Accra to the family gatherings in Dakar, the enticing aroma of jollof rice evokes a sense of warmth, celebration, and shared heritage. Its vibrant color, a fiery blend of red and orange, speaks to the passion and zest for life that defines West African culture. As I took my first bite, the flavors exploded on my palate, a harmonious blend of smoky, spicy, and savory notes, all held together by the fluffy, perfectly cooked rice. It was a culinary symphony that left me craving for more. Our culinary adventure takes us to Senegal, the birthplace of jollof rice. This West African nation, with its vibrant culture and rich history, is believed to be the origin of this beloved dish. The Wolof people, an ethnic group spread across Senegal, Gambia, and Mauritania, are credited with creating this culinary masterpiece. The name jollof itself is believed to be derived from Wolof. Jollof rice, originally known as benachin, meaning one pot in the Wolof language, reflects the dish's simple yet ingenious cooking method. It's a testament to the resourcefulness of West African cooks, who created a flavorful and satisfying meal using readily available ingredients. The dish's popularity spread rapidly throughout West Africa, carried by traders and travelers who were captivated by its unique taste and aroma. The journey of jollof rice is a testament to the power of food to transcend borders and connect people. It's a dish that has evolved over centuries, embracing local ingredients and culinary traditions as it journeyed from one West African nation to another. From the bustling markets of Abidjan to the family kitchens of Freetown, jollof rice has become an integral part of the West African culinary identity. Today, jollof rice is enjoyed in various forms across West Africa, each country and region adding its unique twist to the recipe. In Senegal, it is often served with fish, a nod to the country's coastal location. In Ghana, it is often accompanied by fried plantains, adding a touch of sweetness to the savory dish. And in Nigeria, it is a staple at parties and celebrations, often served with fried chicken or beef. Let's embark on a culinary adventure and recreate the magic of vegetarian jollof rice in our own kitchens. Don't be intimidated by the seeming complexity. This one-pot wonder is surprisingly easy to make. The key is to embrace the spirit of improvisation, using this recipe as a base and adjusting it to your liking. Begin by heating a generous amount of vegetable oil in a large pot, setting the stage for a symphony of flavors. Add finely chopped onions, allowing them to soften and release their sweet aroma. Next, introduce a blend of vibrant spices: ginger, garlic, curry powder, and smoked paprika, each note adding depth and complexity to the dish. As the spices sizzle and release their fragrant oils, stir in chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, and a Scotch bonnet pepper, the heat of the pepper adding a welcome kick. Now, it's time to introduce the heart of the dish, the rice. Use long-grain rice, preferably parboiled, which will absorb the flavors beautifully and cook to fluffy perfection. Add the rice to the pot, stirring it gently to coat each grain with the aromatic tomato and spice mixture. Pour in vegetable broth, enough to cover the rice by about an inch, and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and allow the rice to simmer gently for about 25-30 minutes, or until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is cooked through. Resist the temptation to lift the lid during cooking. We want the steam to work its magic, creating a fluffy and evenly cooked jollof rice. While the rice simmers, let's talk about the magic of spices, the heart and soul of vegetarian jollof rice. The beauty of this dish lies in its ability to transform simple ingredients into a symphony of flavors. The spices we use play a crucial role in creating the distinctive taste and aroma that defines jollof rice. Start with a base of ginger and garlic, two aromatic powerhouses that add depth and complexity to the dish. Next, introduce curry powder, a blend of spices that varies widely, but typically includes turmeric, cumin, coriander, and fenugreek. Curry powder adds warmth, earthiness, and a touch of bitterness that balances the sweetness of the tomatoes. Smoked paprika, with its smoky and slightly sweet flavor, is another key player in the jollof rice orchestra. It adds a layer of complexity and depth that elevates the dish to another level. And of course, no jollof rice is complete without a touch of heat. Scotch bonnet peppers with their fiery kick add a welcome punch of spice. You can adjust the amount of Scotch bonnet pepper according to your spice preference. The beauty of spices lies in their versatility. Feel free to experiment and personalize your jollof rice by adding other spices like bay leaves, thyme, or even a cinnamon stick for a hint of warmth. Remember, the key is to create a harmonious balance of flavors that dance on your palate. As the aroma of simmering spices fills your kitchen, transporting you to the heart of a West African celebration, remember that you're cooking more than just a meal. You're participating in a culinary tradition that spans generations, a testament to the power of food to connect us to our heritage and to each other. Jollof rice is a dish that embodies the spirit of togetherness. It's a staple at weddings, birthdays, and religious celebrations, bringing people together to share in the joy of good food and good company. It's a dish that transcends social and economic barriers. A plate of jollof rice tastes just as good, whether you're enjoying it in a humble home or a grand banquet hall. The beauty of jollof rice also lies in its versatility. It can be enjoyed as a standalone dish, a symphony of flavors that needs no accompaniment. But it also pairs beautifully with a variety of side dishes, from fried plantains to grilled fish, adding another layer of texture and taste to the meal. But beyond its role as a celebratory dish, jollof rice is also an integral part of daily life in West Africa. It's a dish that's enjoyed by families from all walks of life, a testament to its affordability and ease of preparation. As you take that first bite of your homemade vegetarian jollof rice, savor the moment. Let the flavors transport you to the bustling streets of Accra or the family gatherings in Dakar. Appreciate the history and tradition behind this beloved dish, a culinary legacy passed down through generations. The beauty of jollof rice lies not only in its taste, but also in its ability to unite people. It's a dish that sparks friendly rivalries, with each country and region claiming to have the best recipe. But ultimately, it's a testament to the power of food to bring people together, fostering a sense of community and shared heritage. So, gather your loved ones, put on some music, and let the vibrant flavors of vegetarian jollof rice transport you to the heart of West Africa. As you share this special dish, remember that you're not just enjoying a meal, you're partaking in a culinary tradition that celebrates the richness and diversity of African culture. And in a world that often feels divided, there's something truly special about the power of food to unite us all.